about this very important topic, simple pendulum. In simple pendulum, O is the length of pendulum and T is the tension inside the inward and theta is the mechanical we apply the force F. जब हम फोर्स लगाते हैं तो पॉइंट ए से बी क्या होगा, बॉब मूव करेगा और L क्या हो जाएगा, लेंथ ऑफ द पेंडुलम एंड x इज द r. अब यहाँ पे हम एक वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट की बात करेंगे तो वेट क्या होगा, हमेशा डाउनवर्ड वर्क करेगा, वी आल्सो कॉल द mg, और जो एंगल में क्या होगा थीटा. दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज mg cos थीटा, दिस इज द mg sin थीटा. A force work toward the initial condition we also call the restoring force. What? F is equal to F equal to minus mg sin theta. If theta is very small, ये जो theta होता है बहुत छोटा होता है, approx 1 degree 2 degree, तो sin theta is approx what theta. F is equal to what? F is equal to minus mg theta. Angle is equal to what? Angle is equal to arc upon radius. What? Arc upon radius. What is the angle? Theta. Arc means x by radius L. F is equal to what? F is equal to minus mg. Theta means x by L. Any problems? F is equal to minus mg. G by L into x. Equation number what? Equation number first. F is equal to what? F is equal to ma. Ma minus m g by L into x. M is cancel out. A is equal to what? A is equal to minus g by L into x. This is what? This is the A is equal to minus omega square x. This is the condition of SHM, simple harmonic motion. Then omega square is equal to what? G by L. Omega is equal to root g by L. What is the time period of simple pendulum? T is equal to 2 pi by omega. 2 pi by omega. And what is the value of omega? Root g by L. Then formula proof, T is equal to 2 pi root L by g. L by g. This is what? This is the time period of simple pendulum. Thank you.